We're back here in the woods. It's been a couple of weeks since we've done a video about logging. Figures about time you guys see what we've been up to. Been super busy, but for today we're just gonna cut down some schlobs. 90% of the time when we're cutting trees, we're pretty safe and there's not a whole lot of really fascinating stuff happening. But today, a little different. Today's special. So if you found yourself on this video and you like logging and firewood kind of stuff, give us a like. This one's gonna be interesting. Almost. It didn't work, Tommy. It almost did. Jiggled it a little bit.